The sleekest wagon on the planet just went electric. 480 miles of range, a literal starry sky inside, and 354 horsepower. This is the all-new 2027 Mercedes-Benz CLA Shooting Brake. Don't forget to subscribe for more exclusive reveals and world debuts. Making its stunning debut at the 2026 New York International Auto Show, the third-generation CLA Shooting Brake is a masterclass in aerodynamic, sensual purity. Up to the B-pillar, it shares its shark-nosed design with the sedan, featuring a unique front panel with 142 individually illuminated LED stars. But it's the rear that defines it. The sloping roofline flows into a sleek hatch, creating a silhouette that is sportier than a wagon but more practical than a coupe. Whether in the new sheer blue or manufactured Patagonia red, the star-shaped tail lamps and seamless light strip ensure this is the most recognizable car on the road. Make sure to hit that subscribe button for all the latest world premieres. Inside, the Shooting Brake introduces a new level of hyper-analog luxury. The MBUX Superscreen stretches across the dash, powered by the brand new MB.OS. It's not just a screen, it's an AI-driven experience featuring a selfie camera, cloud gaming, and even a 14-inch display just for the passenger. The real showstopper? The Sky Control panoramic roof. It features 158 integrated stars that glow in synchronization with your ambient lighting. Despite its low-slung look, the Shooting Brake offers more headroom and legroom than ever before, with a 455-liter boot and a handy 101-liter frunk under the hood for your charging cables. Underneath the floor sits an 85 kilowatt-hour battery and an 800-volt architecture. The CLA 250 Plus delivers 272 horsepower with an incredible WLTP range of up to 484 miles. If you need more grip, the CLA 350 4MATIC pushes out 354 horsepower, hitting 60 miles per hour in just 5 seconds. Charging is just as fast as the drive. With 320 kilowatt DC fast charging, you can add 193 miles of range in just 10 minutes. And thanks to a new 2-speed gearbox on the rear axle, the CLA provides silent, effortless cruising at highway speeds while maintaining punchy acceleration in the city. Safety is redefined by the Mercedes-Benz Intelligent Cloud. From semi-autonomous lane changes to the new 360-degree parking assist, the CLA is always one step ahead. Whether you're towing a jet ski with its 1,800 kilogram capacity or using the roof rails for your surfboards, the 2027 CLA Shooting Brake proves you don't need an SUV to live an active life. It is the perfect blend of emotion and intelligence. The all-new 2027 Mercedes-Benz CLA Shooting Brake. The future has never looked this good. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a world debut. Mercedes-Benz, defining class.